This how all start the change of our life. But I win the shot up, all the politics gone cold. In the coffee country, we're collecting money for the politicians. Time to be bully. Killing ourselves to remove kings again. The politician received too much in money. Me have the same that causes our coach man. Ripping off the average and living alone, man. It's difficult. Now we're together to write like X-Men, searching for someone that can express to get the fucking threats and to start to be blessed again. Tomorrow we can change the world. Must have work to still looking for who was the most rich. But the still in the mincemeat. Then say now you have full shit, but the only thing cheap is our fear.